More Pionex trading bots. In this video, we're going to go over the dual coin rebalancing bot, the multi-coin rebalancing bot, the leveraged grid bot. Now this video is sponsored by Pionex, but it's still going to be an unbiased review. I'm going to just show you that these are tools for you to trade crypto and take the emotion out. When using trading bots, profit is never guaranteed, but if you use the right bot in the right circumstances, you can make profit, but it's still guessing. You have to guess, like, is the market going to move up, down, and how volatile? So I'm going to show you the trading bots I created, how to use them, and ideally the situation you want to be in. As I mentioned, this is a video sponsored by Pionex. None of this is financial advice. Pionex will be making a profit every time your trading bot makes a trade. We're going to go over that. And Pionex does have the lowest trading fees I've seen at 0.05%. For reference, you should look up any of the fees on other exchanges. It is the lowest out there. So we're going to go over these trading bots. Here are the time codes. If you can help me out by hitting that like button, I would appreciate it. And let's get started. Let's take a look at how my bots did. I know this isn't the actual bots, I'll show you a little bit later, but this just gives you an overall view about how I did. Now, it has been a volatile week for the crypto markets. This is CoinMarketCap, and for the past 7 days, Bitcoin moved 20%, so that is a big move. And ideally, the trading bots do well if it's like sideways and bullish, depending on what it is. And if the coin just pumps up a lot right away, you'll do better off holding that coin. These trading bots have to trade. They have to buy low, sell high to make any profit. And when we are talking about these trading bots and having these grids, that is a buy and sell order. So there are a bunch of these different buy and sell orders based on the current price of the coin and how you've set up your bot. And if a coin is pumping, there isn't going to be many opportunities for it to buy. It's just going to try selling at those higher and higher points because it's going to try and rebuy at a lower price. And that's why these bots are better long-term bullish. But if we're on a crazy bull run, you don't want to be in a trading bot. You want to be holding that coin. But of course, that's impossible to predict. So quickly going over this, I had a leverage grid trading bot for Link at 1.2x, and I did pretty good. I got a gain of 26%, but if I just held the coin, I would have made 35%. I also had a leverage grid trading bot of Bitcoin at 5x, and I got a gain of 70%. But if I had a 5x leverage trade, I would have made 122% this week. Then I had an infinity grid trading bot. That's like a grid trading bot. So you just set the lower limit and it's just going to keep setting up new trades for you. The price for Mask did not move. The price was relatively the same. I gained 1.45% using the bot since it was pretty much just sideways. And I got to make a little off those trades, while holding the coin would have just made me 0.07%. So that is the ideal situation you want to be in when using a trading bot. Then I had the multi-coin rebalancer bot, which did pretty well because I picked a few coins that did very well over the past 2 weeks, and I netted 62.7%. Now, one of these coins was Axie Infinity, which did 145% in gains over the past 2 weeks. CHR did 70% and Sand did 51%. But you can't really predict how much a coin is going to pump. I did not know Axie was going to pump that much, but it was part of my multi-coin rebalancer bot, and that was my own mini index of gaming coins. So each of these coins have something to do with gaming or NFTs, and I wanted some exposure to that in my portfolio. Overall, the rebalancer bot did exactly what it did. It bought and sold depending on how the markets moved. I ended up with less Axie than I started with because it sold it off to buy some of the other coins which haven't moved as much. In the event that Axie drops back down in price, it's going to buy that up and sell the other assets. That's how it works. It just rebalances to whatever the percentage of my portfolio I set it to. And the rebalances happen like every 5 minutes, and we'll get into that. We're going to take a look at my multi-coin rebalancing bot. We are going to turn it off, and then we're going to start up a new one. So you can see this whole process, but kind of in reverse. So this is my multi-coin rebalancing bot. We can select details, but before we do, you can see my initial investment was 400 bucks and I got 4 coins in there. If you are going to use the multi-coin rebalancing bot, there is a 100 USDT minimum per coin. So that's our investment amount, total profit, coins, and the next rebalancing. Transactions 707, that is a lot. So let's go into the details and we can see our rebalance history. Down here, you're going to see a lot of the price changes smaller than the minimum required volume, so the bot skipped this time. And we can hide all that by selecting that thing, and then we can see our entire trading history. Now, there are over 700 transactions here, and there isn't really a good way to filter or jump to the first trade. So if you wanted to do that, it's going to take a while. That's one of the drawbacks, but if you wanted your entire trade history, you would have to reach out to Pionex. So that's what you're looking at here. Select balance change at the top, and then we can see our balance when opening and then our current balance. You can see that I started with 5.59 axes, AXS, and now I have 3.69. Now I do have less of that coin, but that's because the coin price went up significantly in value. And then under the coin, you can see the USDT value. So you can see that I set up each of these coins to be about 25% of my portfolio, and that's when I started it, and the current balances aren't exactly 25%. If any of those coins go beyond 0.5%, it's going to do a rebalance. If all the coins stay within 0.5%, there is going to be no trade. So back at our trade history, you can see we've been doing some buys and sells. We bought SLP here at 2265 and then we sold it at 2291. So that was a net gain. And then we can also see that we sold SAN at 631 and then bought it back at 628. So this bot is making some pretty good trades and it is rebalancing very well. And this is ideally the situation you want to be in. Once again, profit is not guaranteed. Now I'm going to shut down my multi-coin rebalancing bot so we can start one up. So now that we've gone through all the details in the app, all you have to do is select the power button at the bottom left. Then you're going to get this prompt. Are you sure you want to close the multi-coin rebalancing bot? Do you want us to sell all 4 coins? So I have 2 options here, please sell and don't sell. If I select please sell and confirm, it's going to trade all my coins for USDT. If I select don't sell, I'm just going to hold those balances of coins. And yeah, it's not going to sell anything. It's just going to stop trading. So I'm going to sell this so I have some USDT to set up another bot. It's going to use the VWAP to sell the coins. That's the weighted average price. I have no idea what the V stands for, but a weighted average price is a WAP in finance and something else in music. All right, my multi-coin rebalancing bot has been shut down, and now let's start one up. So from the bottom right, we select create a bot. I know it says Matic USDT, that's just what I have it set to. It really doesn't matter what the coin is set to. So let's select create a bot, and then rebalancing bot. We have the options, dual coin or multi-coin mode. We're gonna select multi-coin, and then we can add as many coins as we like. Gonna make this random. None of this is financial advice. This is not how you should pick your coins, but I'm gonna do that for this video. It's gonna be this one, MX. I'm gonna add another one. Gotta look at, so I can see I'm doing something. All right. Oh, I don't like that coin, but let's keep going. Then I'm gonna select that one, and I'm gonna add one more. Boom, this one. Oh, it's Link. I actually like that one. But let's continue with this bot. So we can set the balancing amount to however much we like. It can be 25% for everything. That's automatic just because it has to get to 100, but we can set it to whatever we like. So for example, I can set one coin between 5 and 95, probably not 95, but I'm gonna set the minimum at 5, and then CTK, I'm gonna set that to 20, and then Link, I'm going to set to 40, and then I have to do some math here, that's 65, and then MX would have to be 35. And now I have 100. I'm okay with that, hit confirm, and now we can set the investment amount Going to scroll to the right here. It says the minimum is 400 USDT. That's 100 USDT per coin that you add to your multi-coin rebalancing bot, aka your own mini index. So I am going to set it to 400, then select create, and then it shows us our investment amount, the coins we've selected, and the percentage of our portfolio. I'm going to hit confirm, and as I'm confirming, it is buying up those coins, so I have them in my portfolio. Confirming investment, buying those coins, V, weighted average price. And now the bot is running. That is how you create a multi-coin rebalancing bot. You can see here the balance when opening, our current balance, and we have a little USDT left over because it couldn't use the entire 400 USDT. Then we have dual coin rebalancing bot. It is exactly like a multi-coin rebalancing bot, but the ratio has to be 50-50. And now I want to select create a bot, rebalancing bot, and yes, it says if I'm bullish, and dual coin mode, and then we're going to select 2 coins, and then you can choose between spot or leverage tokens. For leverage tokens, only Bitcoin and ETH are available. It's not something I recommend you doing, especially if you're new to this. For reference, these are shorts and longs, so the S stands for short, and the 1, 2, or 3 is the leveraged amount. So 1x long, 2x long, 3x long, and the same for shorts. So let's do a spot rebalancing bot, and we'll just take it easy there. And then we can trade against 2 different assets. We can make them random too. So let's do that again, just because I do this. I do this for the video. I don't want to recommend any coins. I just want to have something random, and we have that set up. And you can see here that the minimum is 200 USDT. It is 100 per coin. So we are going to create this bot, and that's it. There aren't any additional parameters we can set. We can only pick the coins, and it's going to be a 50-50 balance. And those coins are going to readjust every 5 minutes if there is a difference greater than 0.5%. So here's our confirmation page, confirm. Created successfully. So now it's going to take my 200 USDT and it's going to buy up some coins. So here is our dual coin rebalancing bot, jumping into the details, going to balance changes, and it shows us how much we have. There is a little USDT left over, but we have both coins in our portfolio at 50%. How to use the leverage grid trading bot. Not for beginners, because it can be extra volatile. You can make more, but you can also lose more. And when you do leverage trading, you are borrowing assets to have that extra buying power, but it's also extra losing power. I don't really suggest it for anyone new to trading because it's a little more advanced and it's not something you should really hold long term. Let's go over one that I am using, and you can see here my investment was $178 and I set a 5x long on Bitcoin. Now, if we go back to my other chart, you can see that if I set up a 5x at that current price, I would have made 122%, but I made 70%. That's because Bitcoin has been very, very bullish and it hasn't been really volatile enough to activate some trades. So not the ideal situation for this trading bot at the moment. And you can see here that I'm currently holding 912 USDT. You can see my buy orders and my sell orders. Now, I don't have a lot of sell orders because the current price of Bitcoin is right at the edge of the parameters I set. So I set the price between 31,000 and 40,000. Ideally, if you are going to set up a trading bot, you don't want the price to be at the very edge of the parameters you set. It's going to make it much more difficult to get trades in. You just want enough where you can make money per grid. You don't want too many trades, especially if they're making a very small sum of money. But as long as you're profitable overall, then you're going to do okay. So I'm going to go into my transaction history so we can take a look at how I've been doing. And we can see that each of my grids have been making 24.5 cents per trade, and that's after fees. Each of my trading fees is about 1.8 cents, so 0.018. I'm just kind of rounding up there. And I am making a profit after that of about 24.5 cents. I know it doesn't sound like much, but you can see that I've made 106 trades, that I am making profit, and my total investment was $178. not going to happen for everyone. I just happened to jump in while Bitcoin was bullish. How to set up a leveraged grid bot. Select create a bot, scroll down, we're looking for leveraged grid, and then you can select a leveraged grid pair, and then you have to select a coin. So we're going to switch the trading pair, and then it jumps us over to margin, and it shows us which coins are available for leveraged grid trading, and there isn't a lot of them. So there's Bitcoin, DOT, ETH, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Link, Litecoin, Theta, and XRP. We can do Ethereum, so I have some USDT. I can set this up, and I want to set a lower limit of 2,200 and an upper limit of 2,800. I'm bullish, but I want the grids to not be too far apart. So there is like a minus 10% plus 20% in the price difference. Something like that. Don't quote me, not super good at math. And let us set up our grid. So we can see our leveraged investment has defaulted to 1.2x. We can pump that up if we want to be extra risky. Okay, let's do that. Let's be a little risky, but we won't invest a lot of money. We can set the amount of grids we need, and let's do 10 grids. And it's going to show us that each grid profit is going to be about 2.3 to 2.9%. And if we set up more grids, that profit margin is going to drop. So I kind of want more profit, but obviously a 2% swing is going to be pretty big. Let's do something like 30. And that is pretty reasonable. I'm gonna try my luck there because this is gambling. I can't predict how the market is going to move. That is your risk. But I am bullish overall, and I'm okay with that. And we can see the minimum to start up this leverage grid is 500 USDT. But with the funds I have available, I can borrow assets, because when you are leverage trading, you are borrowing buying power, and you are paying interest on that. So let's just do 500, since that's the minimum. I'm okay with that. And then select create. And then it shows us here, it's going to take my 500 USDT. It's going to buy ETH with 76% of that, and it's going to hold some USDT. Okay. It's buying up that ETH, and then it's going to set up some buy and sell orders around the current price of Ethereum. Buy low, sell high. The bot has been started. Let's jump into the details. And then you can see placed, we have some buy orders under the current price, and then we have some sell orders above the current price. Ideally, we're going to make a profit if the coin goes up in price. And that's the situation you want to be in with grid trading bots. You want to be bullish and a little bit sideways. With reverse grid trading bots, it's the same thing, but bearish. So you can make a profit either way if you can accurately predict which way the market is going for that coin. And let's stop there for today. If this video has been helpful, please hit the video with a like, much appreciated, and good luck out there if you decide to use it. None of this is financial advice. These are just free trading tools that you can use if you can predict what's going to happen in the market, which is the hardest thing to do. So good luck out there, and I hope you got your full value for today.